ketemu zombie lagi teman-teman. No. Sialan. Oke, halo teman-teman, balik lagi ke channel ini. Oke, kali ini kita akan bermain The Callisto Protocol, teman-teman. The Callisto Protocol ini game zombie mungkin ya, bisa dibilang game zombie, tapi bertema luar angkasa lah, astronot teman-teman. Jadi latarnya itu di luar angkasa. Dan game ini kita dapatkan gratis di Epic Game teman-teman kemarin. Ya lumayan lah, katanya ini game keren banget. Cuman setelah saya bermain sedikit sambil setting-setting untuk menyesuaikan editing dan ya OBS-nya biar nggak terlalu nge-lag, ini game jumpscare-nya gila teman-teman. Banyak jumpscare anjir. Dulu gue pernah bermain game Resident Evil 4 di PS2 ya, yang belum yang remake ya. Nanti kita bermain yang remake kalau kita ada kesempatan membeli gamenya. Ya jumpscare-nya masih nggak terlalu horor banget ya, malah action. Tapi kalau ini anjir gila jumpscare-nya teman-teman. Oke, kita tak perlu lama-lama lagi, kita akan bermain teman-teman. Oke, bagi kalian yang pernah, ya bagi kalian, nggak perlu lama-lama lagi, kita akan langsung bermain gamenya aja lah. Nggak perlu banyak cincong teman-teman. Oke, udah tersetting rapi. Dan kita pakai mic-nya. Oke. Kita bermain The Callisto Protocol teman-teman. Kita bermain normal mode aja. Oke. Jadi saya udah nyoba gamenya ya teman-teman, buat biar nggak terlalu nge-lag. Jadi ya kita coba dulu gamenya. Oke. Epic baik banget ya ngasih game The Callisto Protocol gitu ya, yang harganya ya lumayan lah. Tapi nih game horornya kerasa banget sih. Sepertinya ini latarnya udah robot-robot ya teman-teman. Kita sudah berada jauh di masa depan yang dimana robot-robot dan ya AI sudah semakin maju. Ya mirip-mirip cyberpunk lah, seperti itu.
Shocking footage from Europa. A brazen attack by the Outer Way terrorist group, led by the notorious Danny Nakamura.
That's enough. You got a job to do.
This is Callisto Hangar Control to UJC Charon. You have cleared the security perimeter.
Roger, Hangar Control. Laying in course for Europa Station. You got something to say? You gotta keep flicking that thing all day.
I was watching that.
It's our last run, Max. I'm done talking about it.
Then what do you want me to say?
How about thank you? Because after this job, we're never gonna have to work another day in our lives.
Well, I guess you got it all figured out.
I guess so.
Come on, man, what is this? Huh? Back and forth, Callisto to Europa, all this additional security.
It's a prison moon, Max. They take their security pretty serious.
And what about the attacks? Huh? How do you explain that?
By the Outer Way. They've been hitting
Oke, kita
targets all
berada
over
di
the
luar
sector for the past
angkasa
6
teman-teman.
months.
We got a yellow light in the cargo hold.
It's probably nothing.
Well, it's still worth checking out.
You shouldn't worry so much, you know? You live longer.
Oke. Ternyata
Port and
ini
starboard sensors are both showing
Jacob
errors.
Lee.
Go check them out.
Ternyata ini main karakternya teman-teman. Oke. Wah keren ya. Kita berada di luar angkasa teman-teman, berada di kapal. Oke.
Personal log. We're docked at Callisto Hangar. find the quarters while they load the cargo. Max has been on my case about these Europa runs. We've done jobs like this before. Don't know why he cares so much now. I mean, it's just a job.
Apakah ada
Keep your head
kerusakan
down,
di
your
kapal
mouth
kita?
shut.
Oke, tidak ada apa-apa. Kita cek. Wah, keren ya. Kita membawa apa ya, teman-teman? Apakah mesin-mesin? Oke, kita harus ke arah sini. Ke arah sini ya? Bebas mungkin lah.
Come on, Max. You gotta stack these right.
VA. Oke.
This better be worth the trouble. I should check out the rest of the ship.
Landing gear.
Son of a bitch. I guess I'll check the other side.
Oke, bentar, saya lupa ngasih waktu, teman-teman. Jadi kalau kalian pernah main Resident Evil 4 ya, waktu latar tempatnya yang di Iceland, itu yang paling ngeganggunya itu ini nih, suara yang kayak gini nih. Suara-suara yang yang dimana ada suara berarti di situ ada zombie gitu. Nah, kita harus kemana ya? Oh, ini nih. Kalau di Iceland di Resident Evil 4 itu ada zombie yang namanya itu si ngorok, teman-teman. Atau apa ya disebutnya itu regenerator gitu kalau nggak salah. Cuman kita itu nyebutnya si ngorok, teman-teman. Karena dia itu punya suara yang sangat
Max, we got trouble.
Oke, sepertinya kita mendapatkan trouble, teman-teman.
The outer way?
Yeah, I'm guessing.
Alright, well, you get your ass back up here. And watch your back. You know, it could be
Apa
anywhere.
ini? Oke, kita harus kembali ke kokpit. Central. Hei. Oke, teman-teman, sepertinya kita dibajak, teman-teman, kapalnya kita. Ternyata kita kemasukan orang-orang yang tidak kita kenal.
Dampening field still in effect. Not for long.
What do they want?
How should I know?
Anything?
Nothing yet.
Almost out of time.
Sip sprint. Oke, kita harus berlari, teman-teman.
There he is! Max! We're heading for the bridge!
Open up!
What are you gonna do? Whatever I have to. What are you doing? No! Shit!
Warning. Explosive decompression from cargo bay.
Just hold on! I'm on my way!
Oke, kita harus ke atas, teman-teman.
Watch out!
Warning. Venting atmosphere.
Come on,
Jacob, get
come
up here.
on.
control of my station! Restore flight controls! This is bad, Jacob! Mayday! This is UJC Charon! Returning to Callisto! Requesting emergency clearance!
Negative, UJC Charon. You are not authorized for re-entry.
Sorry, but I got no choice! Coming in hot! Who's the antigraphs? Already at maximum! We're not gonna make it! Yes,
Sepertinya kapal kita jatuh, teman-teman.
Hold on! Brace for impact!
Oke, kita terdampar, teman-teman.
Made it. I told you not to worry. Max. Hang on, buddy, I'm coming.
Oke, sepertinya si Max terluka, teman-teman.
Hey. Whoa.
Oh my god. Oh my
I
god.
didn't you listen. Hey, come on. Oh, God damn it.
Si Max meninggal, teman-teman. Oke. Ada yang datang, teman-teman. Wah.
One life sign detected. Continuing search.
Black Iron Security! You the pilot?
Yeah,
And him?
he's gone.
Sepertinya ini sekutu kita, teman-teman.
We'll just need the one. Okay, let's get you out of here. Manifest says you were running cargo out of the
Oh,
hangar.
Max.
Don't get many of you freelancers out here.
Gara-gara penumpang gelap, teman-teman. Harus mengalami hal yang kayak gini.
Thermal regulators enabled.
It's the first ship I ever lost. We were boarded by...
Let go of me!
Oh, ini
He's
tikusnya.
the one who... Hey!
Cool your jets, cargo jockey. You do your job. You let me do mine, all right? Sir. Yes, sir? Whatever you say. Grab him, too.
Hey! What are you doing? Hey! I didn't do anything!
Oke. The Callisto Protocol. Oke, kita akan lanjut, teman-teman. Outbreak. Sepertinya kita ditahan, teman-teman.
The fuck are you looking at?
Why?
Way too late for this shit. Okay,
Inmates, do not speak unless they are spoken to.
there's been a mistake. My name is Jacob Lee. I'm not an inmate.
You were inmate 532-521. You address me as Captain Ferris.
What? No. I'm just a cargo pilot. I was attacked by the Outer Way. By her. She crashed my ship and she killed my first
I
officer.
don't care. Warden's orders. Oh, speak of the devil.
Choice. Every choice in your life has led you here. To this moment. To this place. The only place where you truly belong. To find the one thing that has always been missing. A purpose for your meaningless life. This is Warden Cole, and together we will find that purpose. Welcome to Black Iron Prison.
I just love that last part. Gives me chills every time.
Sepertinya kita dibawa ke penjara,
End of the line.
teman-teman.
Get up. And mates, I gave you a direct order.
This is not right. I don't belong here.
Listen, you know they call Callisto the dead moon. Dead. Just like you would have been if I hadn't fished you out of that wreck. I mean, shit. As far as anyone else is concerned, you are dead. It's time you moved on. Because you're crossing over to a new kingdom.
No.
My kingdom. So whatever it is you're holding on to right there, that's your old life. You gotta let that go. Because your new life is entirely in my hands.
Surprise, dead man.
Okay. Grab her. Let's go.
Black Iron Prison, a division of UJC Corrections. Proceed immediately to new inmate processing.
Hey, stop it!
Lah, kenapa kita dibawa ke sini ya?
Hey, wait, no, you got it.
Inmate 532-521. Dr. Caitlin Marler, and as per Article 412 of the UJC Penal Code, you will now be fitted with a core device.
Doctor, he's not in the system. We don't know.
Just prep the device.
What the fuck? That device? No! You're a goddamn doctor!
Oh, sepertinya kita akan dipasangi sesuatu, teman-teman.
My responsibilities. Try not to move. It'll only make things worse.
Fuck you!
Sepertinya kita dipasangi sistem, teman-teman.
Doctor, he's flatlining.
Injector.
Kita berada di penjara, teman-teman. Nah, tiba-tiba kita mendapatkan ini, teman-teman. Tiba-tiba banget ya. Tiba-tiba banget langsung ada kerusuhan di penjara, teman-teman. Ada apa ya ini, teman-teman? Kita cari dulu, takutnya ada barang. Escape.
Oh my
god, teman-teman. Apakah kita diserang sesuatu, teman-teman? Kita harus kesini, teman-teman. Sepertinya kita diserang sesuatu, teman-teman. Wajir, kepalanya hilang, teman-teman. Ini tuh emang brutal ya, The Callisto itu. Banyak apa ini, robot nih. Sepertinya robotnya error, teman-teman. Tiba-tiba banget langsung keserang ya. Emang sial beliau ini. Kita harus ke bawah. Oke, kita harus ke bawah.
Hey man, over here.
Apaan ini ya? Oh anjir, kepalanya hilang teman-teman.
Can you see me? Bruv, what the fuck is going on?
I don't know what the hell's going on.
Oke, kita ketemu teman.
My ship crashed. I got thrown in here, and then I woke up to this.
Well, look. You're that pilot they just brought in, yeah? Yeah, well, look, I've been in here half my life. I know this place. I've got a plan to get out. If you help me out of this cell, I'll help you, yeah? Look, you can use this to get inside the control room across that bridge. You can open my cell from there. The name's Elias, by the way.
Jacob.
Don't lose it, Jacob. I just saved your life.
Oke, kita harus menyelamatkan teman kita, teman-teman yang ada di sel kayaknya. Kita harus kemana kan? Oke, kita ke sini. Harus kemana ya? Oke, kita harus kesini teman-teman. Oke, kita harus kesini. Ternyata sedang ada yang baku hantam teman-teman. Waduh, alamak. Hantam. Alah. Ternyata ada yang bermutasi teman-teman. Oh my god. Alah mak. Oke.
What the fuck was that?
Sepertinya ini bermutasi teman-teman. Karena di skin awal kan tadi diperlihatkan kita ada zombie teman-teman. Sepertinya kita diserang wabah zombie mungkin ya. Atau mungkin makhluk alien. Karena kita kan berada di luar angkasa. Oke, kita mendapatkan apa ya ini? Disebutnya linggis gitu. Palu teman-teman, kita mendapatkan palu. Palu pencungkit. Oke, kita harus ketemu si Brep itu kalau nggak salah namanya.
Jacob, over here. This gate's no good. Console's not responding.
Back there, I just saw something. It attacked me and it didn't seem human.
What are you on about?
I know what I saw.
Look, this place can mess with your head, but this is our chance. Whatever it was you saw, it's all the more reason to get out of there. Did you see that watchtower?
Yeah.
That's our first stop. Meet me there.
How?
Elevator's that way. Take it up to the next level. I'll be in touch.
Got it.
Oke. Kita harus bertahan hidup teman-teman. Dan kita harus bertemu teman kita lagi nanti. Loh, kan bener kan? Ada yang bermutasi teman-teman. Oh, alamak kok tiba di situ ya? Tiba-tiba datang aja. Tiba-tiba banget anjir nyerang. Oh my god. Kita harus cepat-cepat keluar dari sini teman-teman. Kita ke sini.
Jacob, can you hear me?
Yeah. How?
Enable two-way comms with your core. You know, you pick up a few tricks when you've been here as long as I have.
Oke, kita ke bawah.
I see you made it to the lift. Just take it down and find the elevator on that level.
Oke, kita harus ke sini kah?
Responded to a crash outside the gatehouse. Site secured as per warden's orders. Access restricted to Mahler's team only. Never thought I'd miss the old
Kita harus kemana ya?
At least she was by the book.
Sini bukan. Apa salah jalur? Bener, tapi kenapa kita ke bawah ya? Oh, kita ke bawah teman-teman. Kita berada di mana? Oke. Alamak, main bacok saja kau nih. Kau mampus kau. Sangat sedap nih. Oke. Kita harus ngambil apa nih? Darah ternyata teman-teman. Health injector.
Alert. Security systems offline. Remaining or cell.
Oke, kita harus ke sini.
Elias, something's wrong with the elevator. I'm heading down, not up.
Damn! That means you're headed to Solitary. You can still reach the watchtower. Just have to go the long way. Just be careful. They keep the real crazies down there.
Nah kan, ini tuh agak mirip-mirip ya sama Resident Evil 4 kalau tempatnya itu di Iceland ya, kalau nggak salah yang tempatnya penambang gitu. Hawa-hawanya itu kerasa banget gitu. Anjir. Tiba-tiba banget ada yang ngambil mayat teman-teman. Mana nih? Ini bisa kita ambil. Akses hall. Anjir, ngeri ya. Ini hawa-hawanya ngeri banget ya. Tiba-tiba terburai-burai begini. Takutnya ada monster lagi teman-teman. agak ngeri di sini itu. Oke, kita cek. Ternyata kita mendapatkan darah. Ini yang agak kampret nih, kayak gini nih. Wah, tiba-tiba ada suara yang tidak ketahui. Ternyata kita ketemu zombie lagi, teman-teman. No! Sialan. Macam-macam kau. Ini jam sekarang yang ngeri, teman-teman, game ini tuh. Tiba-tiba banget anjir. Nongol. Kita cari lagi. Apakah ada sesuatu? Gak ada. Sepertinya kita belum bertemu mutan yang benar-benar mutannya, teman-teman. Masih sesosok yang terinfeksi doang. Sepertinya ada raja terakhirnya, teman-teman. Bukan raja terakhir, tapi pemimpin mutan-mutannya, teman-teman.
Oh shit, bro. One of my mates.
Apakah ini telur?
I've known it forever. It was this thing. He attacked me.
You hurt?
No, but I had to kill him.
Ada patah-patah ya gambarnya.
What the fuck is going on?
Apaan nih cuy? Ada apa nih? Anjir. Gelodakan kayak gitu ya, takut ya.
Elias, found the elevator.
Oh, namanya Elias, teman-teman, bukan Jacob.
This detour might actually work for us. Look, there's a weapons lockup just past the infirmary.
Oke.
You'll need to watch out though. Security units are back online.
Apakah kita akan bertemu lagi monster di sini, teman-teman?
Oh God, no! Move! No, we're not infected!
Lethal force has been authorized.
Oke, kita bertemu robot, teman-teman.
Area secured. Moving to medical sector.
Sepertinya kita harus berlindung dari robot itu, teman-teman. Oh, kita harus masuk ke sini. Kacau.
Can't track us.
Prison systems are breaking down like that elevator back there. Just stay out of their line of sight and you should be able to sneak by.
Oh my god. Ada zombinya, teman-teman. Oke. Robotnya sudah ke sana. Sepertinya kita harus mengendap-endap, teman-teman, biar tidak diketahui robot ini, teman-teman.
Threat condition elevated.
Can't let him see me.
Black Iron security unit active.
selamat. Nih dokter yang tadi nih teman-teman.
Weapon systems online. Scanning for active core signatures.
Jadi hal yang paling ngerinya itu ya ada zombinya, ada robotnya teman-teman. Kayaknya. Oke. Kita apakah harus kesini? Oke, sepertinya kita mendapatkan darah lagi teman-teman.
Looks like I'm in the clear.
Apa ini? Ternyata bisa kebuka. Tapi sepertinya kita harus kesini dulu deh. Jadi robotnya udah pergi kan? Oh my god, apa-apaan itu? Tiba-tiba banget anjir. Oh ini tuh yang robot tadi teman-teman. Stage lab. Ada sesuatu. Sepertinya robotnya error di sana mungkin. Ya, apakah ini? Oh jadi kita mengambil si ringnya teman-teman, fuse-nya. Oke kita harus ke tempat yang tadi mungkin. Sini ya tadi. Oke kesini. Oke sepertinya banyak. Audiologi. Agak drop di sini deh. Sampai 50 teman-teman. hawanya itu ngeri banget ya anjir. Gila. Apa nih? Oke, kita nggak dapat sesuatu. Kita harus nyari apa ya teman-teman? Apa nih? Callisto Credit. Oh my god, apa ini anjing? Kaget aing teman-teman. Tiba-tiba banget loh. Kenapa nggak kena ya? Aneh. Tiba-tiba banget anjir. Oh malah biji lagi teman-teman. Malah nambah lagi. Apa nih? F3. Apaan coba? Oke. Ganggu banget tadi, apaan ya? Oke, darahnya nambah lagi teman-teman. Untungnya. Anjing tiba-tiba banget. Mati lampu. Coba. Nggak ada reaksi apa-apa. Oke, kita coba kesini, ada apa? Oh, cuma.
Personal log, Dr. Caitlin Marler. Arrived at Black Iron today. Met Cole for the first time. He's authorized me to restart the program. It won't be easy, but I trust in my team. They, as I, understand the promise here, the opportunity that lies ahead.
Oke, apakah harus kesini? Oke, nyala. Oh, kita harus kesini teman-teman. Yang tadi kan kalau kesana kan ada robot, mungkin nggak bisa. Takutnya dihantam, ditembak kepala. Oh, kita harus ngambil yang tadi teman-teman. Fuse yang tadi. Okay, come on. Oh my god. Mampus kau. Darah kita sedikit lagi teman-teman. Oke. Apakah tidak ada apa-apa? Gelap gini ya, jadi ngeri. Masa bodoh lu. Terus kemana ya? Ternyata darah kita full teman-teman. Oke, buat train. Ini sepertinya kita harus naikin itu.
Jacob, it's getting worse out here. Where are you?
Made it through the infirmary. Still looking for that weapons lockup.
Okay, you're getting close. Just keep moving.
Oke, kita harus terus. Udah kedengeran suara-suara yang aneh lagi teman-teman. Sepertinya kita harus melawan para mutan lagi teman-teman. Oh my god, kok masih banyak lagi. Sini kau. Satu. Alamak, kabur. Kemana dia coy? Tiba-tiba kabur anjir. Tiba-tiba kabur ya. Takutnya dia langsung muncul lagi teman-teman. Tiba-tiba banget anjing kabur. Oke, kita mendapatkan sesuatu seperti ini.
Jacob, you find anything?
The lockup had already been raided. All that's left is this baton.
Stun baton, yeah. And those things do pack a punch, though. And we are gonna need it. Listen, you're almost to the watchtower. I had to sneak through, but it's empty now, so you should be good. I'll meet you on the other side.
Yeah, see you there.
Nah, zombie yang tadi nih. Oh lama. Ternyata kau kabur cuma mau kesini aja tadi. Kau mau kabur kemana lagi, Cok? Ternyata tiba-tiba banget anjir. Bisa langsung ke situ aja. Apakah ada lagi, teman-teman? Dari suaranya sih ada sih. Hawanya ngeri ya nih, sumpah. Sepertinya kita harus melawan lagi para mutan teman-teman. Ngeri anjir. Kita berada di mana ya? Oh, ternyata ada di depan teman-teman. Kita harus melawan para mutan lagi teman-teman. Alamak, tiba-tiba kau tak sopan. Satu lagi. Tak sopan ya. Anjir, ada 3 ternyata teman-teman. Mau kemana kau? Apakah ada lagi? Ayo kesini ayo. Apa tuh? Ada apa nih? Kita mendapat rekaman lagi.
More changes in months than Black Iron seen in decades. Still, whatever's going on could finally be my chance. I just gotta be ready.
Kita harus kesini teman-teman. Oh ya, kita harus ke situ kayaknya. Tapi kesini masih ada jalan lagi teman-teman. Sepertinya ini tempat yang tadi kayaknya. Sepertinya bener yang tadi kesana teman-teman. Ayo cepat.
I got you. I'm sending in squad 9.
Oke, sepertinya kita masuk ke ruangan teman-teman.
Alright, then activate all attacks. You are weapons free. Repeat, you are weapons free.
Tidak bisa teman-teman. Tiba-tiba banget aja. Ini si botak yang tadi ya. Yang nangkep kita.
Okay. Let me see if I got this straight. You crash here, and then this whole place goes to shit. Oh, 5, 2, 1. Look at me when I'm talking to you. What'd you do? Huh? You can tell me. Are you different? Are you special? Why'd the warden? What you want? I told you. This is my kingdom. It's all yours.
Dan akhirnya beliau meninggoy teman-teman.
Last through. So was Ferris.
What you mean?
He was there. Those things killed him.
You're harder than I thought. Just keep going now. I found a safe room up ahead.
Kita harus kemana ya? Sini kah? Harus kesini teman-teman. Aftermath, anjir. Sepertinya kita harus melawan para mutan lagi teman-teman. Tiba-tiba banget botak loh muncul. Gelap banget ya. Nggak bisa kita lawan teman-teman. Apaan nih? Tiba-tiba banget anjir. Tiba-tiba banget kampret anjing. Baru buka pintu. Langsung muncul. Apa nih, kita harus kemana nih? Sepertinya di sini takut ada lagi nih, cuy. Kita harus kemana ya? Kesini nggak bisa. Sepertinya kesini. Benar kesini.
Jacob,
oh my
move it! Move your ass! Run!
Think that'll hold him?
Fucking hope so.
The hell are those things?
Doesn't matter. Look, you just gotta get out of here.
You said something about a plan.
Yeah. This way. Come on.
Bentar Elias. Ada barang yang harus kita loot nih.
What's keeping you?
Oke, kita harus ngambil. Darah kita udah full.
This'll come in handy though.
Oke, sepertinya kita mendapatkan senjata, teman-teman.
You can use it to print a new weapon. Give me a minute to tap into the system.
Oh, you can use print weapon. Jadi kita bisa membuat senjata lagi, teman-teman. Oke, kita dapat apa nih? Injektor kita dapat banyak. Health injektor, energi converter. Oke.
The choice is yours.
Oh, ini kita bisa membuat senjata, teman-teman. Printing.
The highest quality.
Membuat ulang. Wah, keren ya. Tiba-tiba banget beres.
Okay, got it. If we're gonna get out of here, we need a ship, one that you can fly. Now, I found an inmate with the skills to hack the network and call one down from orbit. Bad news is they're in the shoe, maximum security. Be fucking tough getting in there. Caught bothering you?
Yeah, ever since I got it.
Yeah, they can scramble your brains a little bit. Don't worry, you get used to it.
Yeah, you sure know a lot about this place.
Yeah, I've had nothing but time.
Okay, so what's next? The shoe? Do we just waltz our way in there?
No, I wish we could. It's not gonna be that easy, bruv. Look, I've been here a long time. I've got privileges that you don't. So I'm gonna have to take you a different way. But I'll be your eyes and ears and I'll guide you along.
Don't you leave me hanging.
I got you. Unless you know I'm a pilot.
Sorry banget ya teman-teman kalau agak berisik.
I'll get that door for you.
Soalnya ada yang sedang nikahan, teman-teman.
Please make a selection.
Oke, sepertinya kita bisa menjual barang, teman-teman. Ternyata kita bisa menjual barang, teman-teman. Oke, kita jual ini. Apakah darah kita jual juga ya? Kita jual juga aja satu lah. Oke, kita mendapatkan energi converter dan satu handgun. Kita jual dulu aja yang energi converter. Tapi buat apa ya energi converter nih? Takutnya kepake tapi nggak ada ini. Kita harus kemana ya? Oke, bentar, kita lihat dulu. Oh, sepertinya ini sudah 1 jam bermain. Kita sudah 1 jam bermain. Sepertinya kita nanti lanjut aja ke part 2-nya, teman-teman. Perjalanan The Callisto Protocol ini, teman-teman. Oke, mungkin segini aja video dari part 1-nya. Nanti kita jumpa lagi di part 2-nya teman-teman. Oke, bye-bye.